right now we are approaching the entrance of Encanto here in Lapu-Lapu City. We're here at Encanto.
Ito mismo?
Ano ba natin, saan natin yung setup?
Sa grass?
Ano, maganda siguro sa grass. Wala na. Huwag mo na. Manangid pa, mantagot.
For the owner of this car, as we are going to reveal this car today. Are you guys excited? Yes! And of course, now, before we will do the countdown and before that to reveal the car itself, I'd like to call Sir Sid, can you please introduce the owner of the car?
Okay, the first car achiever of DCS Cebu in the Visayas is no other than Coach Carlo Magno Opiniano!
Coach Carlo! Ayon. Alright! The one and only Coach Carlo. A big round of applause to Coach Carlo. Later guys, ato siya pangutanon unsay sekreto sa iyang kakugi o unsay inspirasyon niya to pursue more and to achieve dreams in life. The question is, are you guys ready? Oscar, are you guys ready? Yes! Okay. So this time, kuhaan yung tanan ng camera please. Dapat naka-video tanan, okay?
Kalikod.
Countdown, tanan. Patras ang video please. We will be doing a countdown from 10 to 1. Ready in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Congratulations! Grabe! Power! Ready? 3, 2, 1, then extreme! Awak na pala, wala na lalo na. Wala na. Imanugan pa. Lahi mo din yung extreme. Pinakalahi.
Now, gani guys, naman lagi ka reveal. At the same time, atong pastorya ko lang owner sa car.
Kana.
Brand new car.
Kana.
Okay? Anong nakasakyan? At the same time, first time ever, di ba?
In the Visayas.
Yes, international, na naka-car achiever. Okay, at the same time, ako yung tawag ikaw.
Okay, bahala din. Sige ko na lang.
Okay? Kani siyang idol kaya ako. Ano man, before pa lang daan, achiever kaya siya. Okay? At the same from Cebu, but there is a Cebu naka-base na as no other than Coach Mark Carlo Magno Opiniano. Bilo-bilo pala kako. Yes! Good morning! Excited ang tanan? Yes! The big question is, sino ang mag-next car reveal? Dapat o wala gusto mag-reveal next? So hindi gusto masagyan ng one. Diba? So, first and foremost, pasalamatan ako si Lord by, of course, kung wala siya, wala punta. And of course, dili po niya may kabutanan kundi tungod niya. And I would also like to thank our board of directors, of course, si Pres Ram, Vice Jonas, and of course, Vice Prince. And of course, to all na atleta ng garon, milong-milong palakpak sa representanan. Okay, and first, very simple lang question. Ano nagka-achiever ko? Simple lang. It's because gusto na ako. Diba? So, pagsugod man tanan sa pagka-gusto. Sorry medyo nabibinata lang po. Okay, excuse me. And, of course, syempre, tama itong ingon ni Mentor Sid na, syempre, wala. Actually, very easy lang magka-hard car chamber yun. Magka-resulta ka. Okay, kaya all you have to do, tama itong ingon niya, yes, apply or yes, coach lang yun. Diba? And of course, dapat kung unsay mga gipangingon sa itong mga uplines, mga mentors, tumanan ta. Kaya the more magdun ka magpag-ahi magod, mas magkadugay po ng ibang resulta. Tama? Ultra Instinct! Umadong bias tayo di mabang pa.